Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll explain the e-signature feature in visionCATS, designed to ensure secure, compliant electronic signing of files under 21 CFR Part 11. The e-signature feature is available exclusively in installations that include the 21 CFR Part 11 compliance option. It provides a secure, integrated system for signing method and analysis files, comparison files at the individual track level, as well as diagnostic data for HPTLC instruments and the CAMAG HPTLC Pro system. To use the e-signature functionality, user management must be activated. In addition, the feature must be properly configured under Options within Regulatory Settings, specifically in the sections for e-signature levels and user rights. A user's ability to sign is determined by the permissions defined in the e-signature user rights table. Let's begin by logging in with a personal user account. Each file follows a structured, multi-level signature workflow. The process starts at level 1, referred to as the submitter, analyst. To apply an electronic signature, select e-sign from the File menu. A dialog box will appear, prompting the user to enter their credentials and, optionally, a comment. Together with the current timestamp, this information forms the complete e-signature record. Once a file has been signed at a given level, it can only proceed to the next level in sequence. Users are not permitted to sign the same file across multiple levels. Attempting to do so will result in an error message. E-signature details can be viewed directly in the Explorer window, alongside the Item tabs. A comprehensive overview of all applied signatures is also available in the Preview area. By using the e-signature functionality in visionCATS, you ensure secure, compliant electronic signing, supporting reliable, transparent, and fully auditable workflows. Thank you for watching this visionCATS tutorial video.